Alright, there's the first coat of base coat, plaster base coat. I'm going to put a couple coats on, probably one more base coat and then a veneer. This one's pretty good. That one only needed one coat. Same, all these little holes here. I got to mix up some more for that. There's a crack over here that I put in. And if you got a crack on the chimney, it's good to use the Structo Lite because it's very strong. Structo Lite is base plaster and it hardens to a concrete-like finish. Very, very hard. And if you just use like an easy sand joint compound, it will never get hard enough to really keep those bricks together, you know, especially in a crack with bricks. And I still gotta go over this. This has just been kind of sloppy done. Alright, put some coats on here. And that's easy sand. Gypsum based joint compound. 20-minute mud. As soon as it's been smoothed out a little bit more. Got some cracks filled in there. I got this place filled in. I still need to add another base coat of plaster here because it still dips in quite a bit. Yeah, this one's good. And those other ones are good. It's just that one was a little bit deeper than the others. And then I went over this one with some mud because this was laid out with some sheetrock here, a little patch. Must have been a doorway or something in the past. So I put some 20-minute mud over this too because it had a dip here. It's looking good. Probably gonna skim coat this whole thing with some all-purpose mud. Add a little water to it to kind of make it a little more milky. And then I'll just skim coat the whole area because it's got a lot of pits and stuff in it. And then I still got to work on this electricity lines, run those up inside the walls.